Okay, this is checkup for subjective pronoun and be verbs. So let's take a look at the screen. The first sentence says are bags. Now, bags are things. So we can say he or she, or any of those. We have to use it or they. Now we have our bags with an S. So that means more than one. We have to use they. So we say they are bags. Okay, the next sentence says, okay, the next sentence we have an animal. Is a dog. Okay, but just one, right? A dog, so this time we use it. It is a dog. Now let's look at these two. The girl is an artist. What is the subjective pronoun for one girl? She. She is an artist. These two sentences have the same meaning. So they are the same. Okay, and on the bottom we have a question. When we ask a question, we have to put the be verb first. Are bandits? Are bandits with an S. That means more than one. So we say they. Are they bandits? Yes, they are. Again, plural, so we just use the same, they. Yes, they are. Okay, let's move on to the next part. Now we're going to focus on negative and questions. Okay, the first sentence says, I'm a student. I'm a student. Okay? What if I am a teacher? Okay? It's not true. I need not. Right? Remember, not goes after the be verb. I'm not a student. I'm not a student. Okay? And now we have some other people, and that's not true. They are not teachers. Okay? Again, after the be verb are and before the noun teachers, they are not teachers. Okay? Now I'm going to ask you a question. You have to answer. Are you a student? Are you a student? Wow, you're taking my class. You're learning English. So, yes, I am. Okay, you should say, yes, I am. But how about this one? Are you a monkey? Of course, the answer is no, I am not. No, I am not. Okay, let's move on to the last part. We're going to look at some sentences, but there is something wrong in all of these sentences, so you have to find the mistakes. The first sentence says, I'm student. Look, student, there is no S. That means just one student. So remember, if there is just one, we have to put are. I'm a student. Let's look at the next one. They are students. Okay, this one says they are. This means there's more than one. More than one student. So what do we have to do? We have to say they are students. We have to put an S to show there's more than one student. She aren't a baby. She, that's one person, one girl or a woman. A baby, that's one person, but we put aren't. Now that's wrong. We have to say isn't. She isn't a baby. You isn't a cat. Now, for the subjective pronoun you, we have to have the be verb are. So, not you isn't a cat, but you aren't a cat. You aren't a cat, okay? Are it a cat? A cat, that's one animal. So, do we need are? No. We need the be verb is. Is it a cat? Is it a cat? Okay, so that was a checkup for subjective pronoun and be verbs. I hope you guys understood, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.